What's going on, guys? Mr. Kim.
Penis!
Great! Fucking day, eh? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Mr. Kim. Making a show shot video. Joined here by Ghost and Dav.
I farted. That was a pretty dangerous start since I'm afraid of.
Please don't wheeze. Please don't wheeze today.
Oh, yeah.
Please don't fucking wheeze.
Man, now I need to take a crap even more. Finally, we got a wheeze on stream or whatever.
Yeah, on stream, hey.
Kill yourself.
Ooh.
Gosh, you'll love this.
What?
You'll love this! Huh? Uh-huh.
Oh,
What? Dead Razor!
my internet died. What a great way to start.
Boom.
Oh, wow. Storm, you're gonna hit the ground, you idiot.
No, just watch. Damn! Damn it, hit my phone. Who the fuck was that?
Me?
You cunt. Oh, what is this? You're dead. This one. Boop! Ow, 70.
Harm.
Oh, that might actually cut my shot.
Oh, fuck. Whoop. Oh, that went shit out.
Ah, yeah, 80 crit.
80 crit, eh?
Hey!
Ah, oh, what the fuck? Boop, 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 boop. You cut my shot, you cut.
Why? Why me?
What?
I didn't win yet.
Yet, but we know you all will.
Oh, what is this? What is this? Hey, Daph, how you doing? Let's just shake
Yeah,
it.
you can- Dang it!
Oh, crap!
Wait, where did she
Ow!
You fucking idiot. Do all this extra shit now? Oh,
Screw off, Storm.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
I'm
Hey.
up top my putch.
Hey, you fucking won.
62 damage. You did damage yourself.
Yay. Fucking love
Huh?
it. Shut up, okay? Oh, Dab, you're a bad swap with this.
Why am I?
He's trying to get the double damage.
Uh-huh.
Yay. Oh, great.
That's
Well,
worked in your favor, didn't it? Oh, stop, that's gonna hurt.
Oh, wow. Those are in sync. That's so satisfying.
Storm, I'll build you a wall.
I'm good. No,
Maybe.
I'm good.
How did you make it up there?
Don't ask Dab.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about me.
And my internet died, so it might kick me.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Spam spacebar.
Never mind.
Yay! Did it leave? Did I leave yet?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you've been gone.
I'm done with this game. I'm not playing it. This freaking internet so freaking
Well, that's the one round we got with Ghost.
idiot.
How's that gonna work? Okay.
Freaking
Hey,
internet
thanks,
is
babe.
Such a freaking piece of garbage, dude.
And raw. Oh, I know what that does.
What the fuck is that?
You'll see.
No, I
Eventually.
don't want to see. Now. Now. Now! What is that grenade bounce?
doing fine on my own server, but no. What was that?
Part. That's like, that should have hit. I'm about to screw that. That's how the map.
I did more. Wow.
Like an oddball.
Oh, you know that freaking computer my parents bought not too long ago, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
It crashed.
Like
Or,
dead
well,
screen?
It didn't really crash, but there is something wrong with it.
You bought Oddball Storm, really?
Yes. Didn't work out that well.
We did. What's the problem, Dav?
The Storm sucked at this game.
Fuck you.
Like
That's
your-
in roller, by the way.
Ah! Ow, 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 ow,
You hear me, Dav?
Why?
No wonder that's a level 93 weapon.
Yeah, I can see that.
If we stripped you of your luck in that game, Dav, you'd be terrible.
Yes.
You're dead. What? Well, I'm gonna die now.
BRB, I'm gonna see if I can take that crap now.
No, I'm gonna use this instead.
Boom, 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 boom. I can never die.
Well, bet.
I'm good. Ugh. What's this?
Yeah, you're invincible, huh?
Yeah, I think I did.
You know that song on there called The Dancing
What?
Queens? You heard that song on there that just played called The Dancing Queens? In the beginning, I was this.
really.
Well, thank you very much. I'm not gonna No,
Christmas! Nah.
for your mother. You don't want a song. Okay.
What?
Oh,
Come on, game.
Okay. You guys used to like pretzels when you were younger.
Those are mostly dry.
Picky, 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 picky. Ah, this is my
Pick it,
You know
pick it,
what?
pick it, pick it.
bag here.
Dab, hurry up.
Huh? Can we dump it? What you got in here? Baby Ruth, you don't like those?
No.
Huh? What's this thing for? Huh? Oh, they're hard anyway. They're hard anyway.
Sorry guys if you can hear his fucking game.
So
You got
stuff in here you want?
cheap ass mic.
We'll dump it there. Oh, that's like. Oh, I like this.
AC 130. Big credit.
Huh? Down tonight or tomorrow? This homemade candy is now for myself.
Oh, it's damn. What's that?
Shooting star.
Oh, 110, huh? Oh! Back. I gotta adjust my level here. Oh, there we go.
That's gonna hurt.
Oh, that wasn't that bad.
Ah, still can't take that crap.
Just hold it.
How long is she in there? Why is she still in
Been
there?
holding it.
Why is she still in there?
Ow.
She takes the same amount of time as you take a shower, Dad.
Oh shit.
Oh.
You don't have to
Shut
expose
up.
him like that. That's.
I'd rather her be in the bathroom than Dav, my gosh. Especially if there was one bathroom in the house.
I can deal with it.
But then again, if Dav was taking a shower, I could just walk in
Smart,
there.
Dav. Smart.
Oh, why?
Why, what?
Why would you just walk in there?
Because you're a dude and I'm a dude. Wouldn't matter. I'm just going in there and take, you know,
Ew.
crap.
You're making it gay now. Shut up.
People do it all the time. You won't be seeing nothing. You're behind the curtains.
True.
What did you achieve there, Dav?
I don't know what I'm accomplishing. Just shut up. Oh, great.
You're a fucking idiot, Dav. Oh, you got so lucky.
I guess it would be the thought. That'd be so weird. You're taking a shower and I'm taking a dump. I'm like out of nowhere when you're taking a shower, you just hear me freaking do a big freaking fart in the toilet bowl.
Oh, I'm
Why,
protected.
game?
I'm protected. Gosh, you just to watch the video. I'm protected. The game gods know me.
You haven't even freaking. I guess I still need to watch those other ones. Guess I'll do that while I'm trying to freaking wait for the bathroom.
Watching video while being recorded. Watching him.
Why you're trying not to just blow your anus out?
Fuck.
Man, you suck at this game.
Fuck you.
Oops, that was 2 less power.
Yeah, you talk about I suck at the game, huh?
Oh yeah.
That didn't work. Oh, wait.
Wait, it did. Wait, not it.
You fucking like butthole, eh?
Why? I did way more power. I should have hit you. Wait, it might.
No.
Wait. Dang.
That's especially that little turd comes.
That's so stupid. I was sitting there shooting for the past 5 minutes and it hit you. That was gay.
That missed. Ooh, heavy rubber. Fucking hell.
That hurt.
Ow. Ow.
Wow. Wow.
Boop. Wacky balls.
Really? Really?
That gear still up? Alright. Ah! Gears!
That gear went off the map, great.
Yeah. I hit you there? I still hit you. That's gonna hurt.
That's tunnel strike. Maybe not.
40. Did so much for that, Dav. That's
Oh.
that's gonna hurt. Maybe not. It's like half the damage I wanted it to be. Yay! Got I had that weapon. Ow.
Do you?
I got it from a crate. Not from a crate, from a health pack.
Yeah, you don't have it though. You don't own it.
No, but I got it from a health pack.
Wow.
Oh. Wow. This is fucking great, eh? If you hit that fucking double damage.
By the way,
you
Dav, I
press-
freaking double damage Storm with Botherer.
Let's go top water.
He was like, oh man, this game is so close, because it was, and then I hit him with that and it killed him. Did 119 damage.
Holy freaking crap!
That was the hit. That was so cool though.
What crap was that about?
Nice, you got miss. What not?
Did I?
Wow, so much.
Storm,
What?
why is your capture quality only
You killed
40p?
What do you mean? I hit myself.
Your videos can only go up to 480p. Why?
Huh? I don't get that. I don't know why. I need to fix
I
it.
can't change it to 180p. think it's in your YouTube settings. I don't know.
Oh.
But that's gonna get annoying.
I think it's actually my fucking.
Now you know what I'm watching. Really?
I don't know. I have to check my settings.
Really, game? You're giving me the Oh, I should have used my sniper.
I still got hit. Oh, I'm a speck of health.
Mm-hmm. Like the speck in your pants.
What? I didn't use that much power. I still got hit. Hey.
It's RNG. I think you're dead.
Yep.
Nope.
If I could get double damage with, oh, nope. Okay, just hit you anyways. Oh, wow. Gotta love it. I'm dead. Wow, 15 plus 1 crit, dude. What's it? They 368. Okay, English. Cause I fuck English, right?
What?
Cause I fuck English, right?
Hmm.
Hi.
You're gay.
What was that? That's gonna be this. Wow. Too much power. Cause they fuck me, right? Miss, and miss.
I know what I'm shooting.
It's still there. Oh, I can't.
I was about to say, if you managed to miss that, that's impressive.
Wow, 18. So much.
Nice.
Okay, just do that. Okay, game. Yeah, can't love that. Just go to teleport the next time with it. Okay. Wow.
I farted.
Nice. Oh, that didn't hit. This will be a burping episode. Not behind. Nah. Fine.
What the crap comeback was that on the last video? Turn
What?
whistled and you're like, Storm, I hope you get unsubscribed from. Okay.
You cut.
Yeah, because I definitely heard about 23 subscribers will unsubscribe from him. You're an idiot.
Like, how many of those subscribers? Yeah, about 24 subscribers. Yeah, I'll lose so much. Yeah, 24. Yeah, think about subscribers. Please go like and subscribe my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Subscribe today.
Oh gosh, remember that
Or
voice
get
crack I
shot
had
up.
on my Gmod episode? Remember that voice crack?
Yeah.
So, I forgot how it fucking goes. Like, Rue's on Gmod, that's when it was survival shit.
Yeah, it was really dumb though. It was when your audio sucks. So.
Yes.
My voice is too loud and yours is too silent.
Boom! Sound effects.
I hope you get unsubscribed from.
Yeah, about 24
And
subscribers.
Storm, future reference, stop freaking spamming your mouse in Shell Shock. I can hear it just fine, buddy.
Just- Ah! Fuck. Dumbass. What? Oh.
Guess you can say this is gonna be a crunchy video.
It's gonna fart of an episode. Ow.
Speaking of fart. Oh, that was weak.
I heard it.
Nah, you didn't.
I heard it. Oh.
Oh man. I'm pushing my luck with these freaking farts, dude. Especially so close to half catching a turtle. Up there.
Oh, thanks. Needed it. You raise me up. Oh, come on. You raise me up.
Shut up. You suck at singing.
Something, something. Copyrighted. Ow.
Oh my god.
You raise me up. Ow. Ugh, fuck.
It was the noise and then you saying ow. I don't know why that was so funny.
Oh, fuck me. Has lightning. Oh, wow. Okay. Holy fuck! I did so much. Wow.
Oh, I got 9 long legs now.
Wow. Did so much. Wow. I did so much, huh? Ah.
Brontosaurus Rex, shut up.
Fuck you. Hey, 24 damage, bitch. I got some really shitty XP for this stuff. Oh, yeah, like this. I can talk like this now. I can go like this.
What?
You fucking idiot.
Wow. Of course I do that much damage to myself.
Cause you're a fucking dumbass, mate. Have shotgun. Half of the minute, okay. Only if you're still right there. Yeah.
Oh, really? Really?
I want to die. What was the point?
You know,
What was the?
wait, there's a point of it so I can get the crate.
What was the point of that? Then? You fucking idiot, huh?
Oof. Of course.
What? Oh my god, that didn't help game. I like to move, please. What did you cheap there? Why? Nice.
That's what Ghost is doing right now.
I want to text her to ask him how it's going. Too much power. Okay, no.
Hard. Man, it gave me all weapons I had pretty much maxed out. Only you were there.
Yeah. Boom. Aw. Ah. Oh. Why?
You're not dead. I don't think any. Oh, I'm gonna kill you with skull shot.
Oh, let's see that. Gee,
Unless you kill yourself.
This game will tell me last second. Ah, fuck. Hey, level up! Hey! Oh,
18
fleet.
damage. I got daddy long legs.
Oh, I got a fleet. Oh, yes. Oh, double splitter. Go. Weapons not locked. Good. How long have I been recording? 24 minutes. Maybe like one more round. Oh, wait, oh, great, wait. Ah. Oh, okay. Healer! This ain't gonna work, Death, I'm telling you that.
Bet.
Call
Yeah,
it.
it didn't work, did it? Oh wait. Ha!
What? What was that?
Kamikaze.
You would have that.
Good at level 79.
Hmm. That's kamikaze. That's something you do in the War Thunder.
Kamikaze doesn't do crap in the War Thunder.
Wish it would.
Used to do a War Thunder video at one point.
Oh, pfft.
That hit.
Graphics or recording software? No. Good.
Wait, what happened?
My graphics set is low, so well, it should be too bad though. I can see why not. I'll look into it though. Guys, that might be a future episode. I'm gonna try it just to see if it'll help it. I'll try after this actually. Oh, you cock. 50.
That's what you get for beating the campaign. Or single player. Ow, that would have hurt if that would have all hit me.
Uh huh.
You're gay, shut up. Wow.
That's still got a hit. Oh, please get the sniper shot. That's gonna hurt. Oh, what? Oh. That's bull. What? Oh. It's a cheaty weapon now. That's a weak weapon.
Now
That's-
my plan can ensue.
That's shrapnel. Oh, ow. I was hoping.
158. It could have done over 100 storms.
That's true. I was hoping just like go over that peak right there. That'd be so cool. Bomb. 12. I'm rich. Yay.
Oh yeah, like I am in weapons. Spider, this is one of my best weapons.
No. 40 damage with that.
A bouncy boy.
Here we go again with that bullshit.
I swear to God.
What? What? It's just.
What?
With the hair. That's like.
Disappear out. That missed. Nice try though.
Not needler.
Duo needler.
Wow, there's so much. Wow.
Oh no.
Please hit. Wow, 60.
There, yeah, only 60 with palm. Are you freaking kidding me? Shut up. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Oh, okay, Storm. I'm getting so excited there. That better not. Oh, that's Pinger, great. How they all missed.
What? Oh, now it gives us weapons. Oh.
Shoot, guy!
I got hiccups. Oh no. Fuck.
Wow!
I got the hiccups, Dad. This ain't gonna turn out that good. Fuck. I got the fucking hiccups now. I hope I don't. But you, this episode is gonna be fucked.
Oh my! Okay, I was about to be mad if that did not hit it. Really? We're at saw blade.
What did
I
you
have
get?
whip saw and saw blade now.
I'm back.
How did it go?
Went great.
Why do you ask people on the craftsman storm?
He been
That
holding.
just shows your weirdness.
Yeah, okay, he went through some tough times, okay?
Oh, but no, don't. He just came out of his butt.
70.
Don't worry, there's another one of those.
Shut up. Oh, that curvery. That curve.
Oh.
Shut up.
Alright, let me see if I can get back on him.
Boing. Oh, you better not. Okay. Ah,
30.
that was a direct. If that was a sniper, I would have been hard.
Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
That's
whoa.
impossible for you, Dan.
Oh, really?
Long, slong battle.
That missed.
But still could hit!
Alright, I'm in the game.
What?
Where are y'all idiots at? Is your game open?
No. No.
There's a server called Join If You're Gay.
How many people's on the
Oh,
server?
yeah.
Dav, join the
I-
server. Dav.
No,
join.
you joined the server. You're the one that's gay.
No.
Still, toilet, urinal, more.
More. He's a part of you, Gus.
No, that's a different more.
Oh, I got
Mine is
teleport.
spelled different.
I got Fiesta.
M-U-R-E.
Did you just say you?
Yeah.
You're
Oh,
an
got
idiot, Dad.
Fiesta.
You're extremely. You're an extreme idiot,
That
Dad.
much. Hey.
You spelled more in.
No, is that how yours is spelled?
No. But that's not even how you spell more.
I got burst fire.
Hey, set it to three players.
He will know when he gets tired of laying on my bed when I take up my bed.
What?
We got Morty a new bed.
Ghost, join. Ghost, join. Join, you cunt.
Almost puked.
And then freaking my mom came in here and said, are you gonna teach him how to use his new bed? I'm like, he's gonna freaking get on it when he's tired of my bed. When I use.
Welcome to this ASMR session.
Shut up! No one cares!
No.
Spotify Nicholas.
Storm, no one wants to hear that.
Oh,
Guess what?
oh,
You hate Storm.
oh, hey, listen, oh, guess what? Dav won the last round, so.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and you weren't in it, freaking crap, so it doesn't matter.
I would be if my internet wouldn't keep dying.
Let's
Oh.
just. Hurry up!
I've got some delectable weapons here.
What?
Nice.
Oh crap! I didn't think it would go that far.
Heh.
Oh.
Oh, I got
You're
sticky. I got
unbelievable,
sticky
weapon.
bomb. I got a sticky bomb.
Yeah, you would have something sticky.
Oh, that's gay. That did not touch the ground.
Okay.
We're flex spot. Alright.
Oh,
So you gotta seriously lob it to get down.
Seriously, love it. Alright, love
Yeah,
it.
you gotta seriously lob
Oh
it.
my God, Storm.
That still hit.
That is a perfect spot.
Boom. Thanks for the gear.
Ooh.
Ooh, ooh. What did you say? You people are. Oh God, that's gonna. Oh no. I'm gonna not like
Oh,
for that.
damn. Oh, no.
It's a clusterfuck right now.
That's
I did
almost
I did 160 damage.
And I did 153.
I did 79. I'm proud of myself.
Apparently your hopes are pretty low then.
Fuck you.
Doink! Oh crap! Okay.
They all fell for us.
Oh yeah, I got Daddy Longlegs Ghost.
What the
Yeah,
fuck
I
just
have-
happened? Like,
Well, I just got it in the internet, didn't I?
Oh.
nice. What just happened? All of us fucked ourselves.
Me. I'm just looking to where I'm shooting at. Oh, yeah, that. What were you, Oddball? You're a cunt.
Me. It only
Hey,
did
you're
30
a cunt.
damage.
Yeah, but you still have a push.
Oh yeah, and you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Person that's clutching onto a freaking mountain so no one could hit him.
Yeah. Yeah, go down
Okay,
there. Yeah, go.
yeah.
Yeah, go down there then. Go down to the flat.
And you're
No,
saying,
because I know I'm getting grenaded, and I don't want that. Ha! So
Oh,
I'm
thanks for the gear.
You did like 4 damage. You proud of yourself?
Yes, I am.
You would be.
Well, it gave me 2 of these, so I guess I used them.
Oh,
Nice.
that's how.
Nice storm, real nice. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
If that would have hit you, I would have been.
You wish.
Oh yeah, Storm, like your freaking wimply little 2-incher can do crap.
Oh, for crap's sakes, oh, now my dad decides to text me? I did 106.
Ghost, you
Why are
just
you
get...
all shooting me?
We'll go after Ghost now. Never mind. I know that's a bad idea.
Well, yeah, freaking go after someone else, please, you stupid cunt.
No, Storm. Oh, great. I forgot it was that weapon. I thought it was the burst fire. Ha ha!
Wow.
Ooh, I'll get the gear.
Alright.
I got garbage. Yeah, boing.
Oh, and I got a gear from Dav.
Thanks!
Yep.
Why y'all go after me?
Because you won
won
my
last round.
battle, so...
Okay,
it's-
yeah, and Ghost wasn't in that battle, so he can aim for you.
I'm not aiming for a Storm, though. Oh, I got 90 damage with that rainbow.
This ain't fair.
Oh, poor Dav.
Here. Oh.
Here, here.
Shut up.
That's what I thought this fireball was. Ow.
Ow. Oh, look at this.
I just got an idea. Yeet.
Oh,
Oh.
thanks. Thanks for getting closer.
Yeah, appreciate it. Beep.
I have a help to protect me from everything, including
Your mom.
not one of these, apparently. Oh god, freaking suck a big wanger!
Oh, I got another gear from Dav.
Yep.
You go suck off a tree.
What?
What?
That would hurt, but okay.
Oh.
Oh, Dav, you're dead.
Am I now?
What?
Holy
Am I-
freaking
Good
Am
crap.
I now?
crap!
Am I now?
Hey, let me fish him. Dad, Ghost, I got this.
Okay, okay, okay.
I just got an idea.
It might hurt you too, Ghost.
This'll work!
What did you just do?
You get an earthquake because he's a dick.
I had to fish him off one way.
Oh yeah, so I remember that whenever you're about to die, I'll use an earthquake.
The fuck was that?
That was my phone.
Oh. Ow. Both got me close enough for this. It's gonna hurt though.
What, are we still playing the game? Oh.
Yeah. Hurry up!
Storm's gonna win.
Mhm. My god, tell your fault to shut the fuck up.
It's my dad.
Ow, that hit.
Nice, Storm!
Ow! Fuck.
Ghost, he's gonna win. You might want to move.
Okay. Hold on. I'll get this one last shot on him. Hello?
Yeah?
Mhm.
Oh.
That worked! Oh, got you.
I can't get up the hill.
Your tracks are that bad?
What?
Wow, game! You freaking piece of garbage! That's not what I clicked. I clicked jetpack. This game is gay, dude. That is so broken.
that's gonna miss.
That's what I'm trying to go for, Storm. Screw you.
Ow!
Ha! I can make it down that.
No, I ran out of fuel.
182.
I was about to say, if your feels that crappy, you might want to see a doctor.
Oh, 96
win.
damage.
What? Dude.
Storm is
give
gonna
me-
win.
It gave me O attack.
You got that garbage weapon?
I almost hit that thing. Yeah, he's not gonna win.
Fucking hell.
Ooh!
Ah.
Can't use that.
Ah.
Too bad I can't use
I
that.
wouldn't kill him.
Fuck you.
Great! That's not what I wanted though.
Now you can kill him.
No! It
Yeah,
keeps
it can.
stopping me.
That does about. If you get a crit, I'll kill him.
Don't give him
Yeah,
a TS,
I know.
goddammit.
Now he's dead.
Oh. Dude, this is close.
Are you freaking stroking?
Fuck.
Now he's dead.
Ah.
But I might die with him.
You suck.
Oh, he's dead.
Ow! Aw. Fuck, that was close. Dude, that was the close fucking battle.
Yeah, look who's getting gangbang.
Yep. Ghost, it's your time.
Yeah.
Step right out,
I
Ghost.
am-
Step right up.
So lucky to indulge you guys on.
I shouldn't have got gangbanged last round.
That's what
happens in that round.
Even if I did beat Storm, he'd be the only one shooting at me.
Yeah.
Yes, you should have been shooting at Storm.
No, because I just got done shooting him a bunch on the practice round. Oh, see, the game knows. Oh, never mind. Me and Storm aren't teaming.
Yeet.
That didn't work.
That didn't work.
How that mother worked.
Gay.
Ah!
Glock on my Rari. Haha.
Storm?
Yeah, what?
Ah!
There's. Oh, yeah, screw you, Storm.
Yeah.
Bong!
Surprise, bitch.
Guess I'll be aiming for Storm and Dav will win this one so he can cuck Dav again. Isn't that what you want, Dav?
Not really.
Alright, Ghost had enough.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, you gangbanged me the entire time. Yeah, you went gangbang. Yeah, clearly you're gay.
Look, you still have full health. Like, come on.
You have full health. Oh.
Wow, you cooked my shot. Thank you.
Did not cuck your shot, Storm.
There, he had enough. Okay, back to Ghost.
Oh, he has enough? You shredded literally 30 damage off.
Just an inch.
Off his armor, keep in mind.
Just an inch.
Oh, I walked into that.
Gay. Oh. Screw you,
Yeah, I
Dav.
guess this is gonna be a party for you over there.
God.
Wow!
Oh my god, he just got fucked. That's what happens when you win. I'm going to hell pack.
Hey, I got the most racist weapon in the game.
What? Oh, yin yang and yang.
Yeah, yin yang yang.
Yin yang yang.
Ghost.
Oh, you bitch.
Yeah, screw you, Storm.
Dink.
I don't even know what it gave me. It gave me wacky balls. I know that.
Oh,
what
okay.
bad.
Wow, okay, game.
I'm just gonna shoot a water balloon.
Just lob it.
Yep, into the black hole.
Oh, God.
Wonderful, I almost hit myself.
Needler!
Why do you say it like that?
Yes, I can.
Why are you aiming at me, Storm? You're gonna fail at it too. One hit me.
Say.
One hit me, Storm.
Why does this mouse keep double clicking? For crap's sakes.
Cause you're gay, maybe.
That didn't work. Oh! Hey, one. I'm rich. Oh, ghosts.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Well,
Oh!
okay. Nice, Storm. What was that ghost's shot?
That was my shot, and it didn't.
Wow,
hit,
you
though.
got so freaking
I know I did. You don't have to point the obvious out to me.
And for that, now,
What
come
a
on,
ball.
we need getting killed.
No.
Oh, come on. He's
Bit
still.
salty over there, Ghost.
Oh wow!
Oh, wow. I ate for ghosts. Beep.
Wonderful. Oh wow, I'm rock hard right now.
What is your odds? What are the odds, Gav?
Why? I'm not moving either. Oh crap! Nice.
What?
You're gay. You're so gay. Score with the oddball.
Get that oddball.
Oh wow, of course most of them are going towards me.
Ow. No, 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 no. Oh.
Oh come on, stop it!
What's your luck with the game
I
today?
already choked it too much.
Oh, fuck. Ghost, goddammit, don't help.
Wow, you can go suck a big
I
fat
had
wang,
to.
you
I had no other
stupid guy.
choice.
If I could do it, you could do it.
What?
I didn't have a proper angle. You have a better angle than I.
Screw your nanners. And Ghost might die.
Or
Never
not.
mind. Oh, I got the head crack.
The game's not really giving me good weapons.
Ghost is almost dead. He's about fucked.
I'm probably dead this next shot when Dab kills me.
If he can hit you.
Yeah, he's gonna hit me, Storm. He's been hitting me the whole game.
Okay! That one missed you. That stupid one missed you. That would have ended it all.
Oh,
well, I
don't
was
worry,
gonna
Dab. I don't have good weapons to do some solid damage on you.
Oh, let's do this.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Ow.
It gets both of you. I swear to God, if you don't die,
He's gonna survive
you
this.
didn't die. You didn't die.
Yeah!
Three.
God. Oh my God.
I'm just saying Ghost right now. It's just in this.
Oh, kill yourself,
Nick
Storm.
should have
Let
exploded
Dab
on
have it. Let Dab have it. It's only 3 hit points, Storm.
No.
That's a waste of time. You're an idiot. You missed anyways, you retard.
Ah!
Storm, you literally wasted your time. You could have hit Dab and done more damage
Ooh, I got burst fire. Ooh.
than him. Storm, that was terrible.
Ooh, I also got. Ooh, I got oddball and bother and all this crap. Ooh.
Oh, Gordy, I love you so much.
Oh, I think you're dead.
Oh, really? Oh, I'm already dead, Dab. I'm already dead.
Ow!
I thought.
Storm, you wanna know what bother does in a second?
I know it
yeah,
does.
It does.
Did it give me
double
nuke?
damage. I double damaged him with.
Dang it, it didn't give me nuke. Oh, I got Mama Gall too.
Yeah, as I say, with all the good.
Dad,
freaking
you're. Oh, what?
Holy crap, that did a lot of damage. I already know it did. What damage did it do, Dab? 95?
Uh huh.
Oh,
75.
I was close. 75.
Oh, look at this double damage. Hmm.
So I'm just telling you now, it would not be worth it going after that double.
Yeah, it would.
Especially when you miss like that.
You know. Oh!
I had really bad weapons. At 3D Bomb, M9, Rainbow, and Minnows, Spiker, and Wacky Balls.
That's some
Shut
stuff.
up.
Oh,
Bad.
yes!
Oh,
Ooh, yes.
Oh, no.
Storm loves the Summoner.
I missed that a little bit.
Oh, and Storm with the damage, though. It's almost tied here. Dab has 51 more hit points than you, Storm.
If I do that, okay.
And now he has way more.
Yep.
That was Burst Fire.
Please hit.
What if you didn't
Don't
change
think
your
about it.
trajectory? It should hit still.
Wild cards!
Oh, dab.
Oh,
Oh. Wait. Dang. Oh crap! Oh crap, hold on. Oh no! Oh no!
What? Bounce.
Oh
Storm!
no! Oh no!
Rest in peace.
That's double damage, dude.
Oh.
Ah, but the big grenade right
Oh.
hit.
Ow, ow, ow. Whew.
That would have done 100 damage by itself.
Probably
If
got
that
crit,
was
he
in that
would've
little
been
hole where the health kit was and you had that thing, that would have done. Ooh.
I'm gonna be greedy and do this.
Fucking.
Oh, Storm, you can actually get some solid damage on him. Or not. Oh, thanks for the gear.
Oh yeah, you can go freaking suck an elephant wing.
That's too big.
Hey, yeah,
Well,
but you have a big
Not
enough mouth to
compared
do
to
it.
mine.
That
yeah.
has gonna miss.
Dab, you would have the big enough mouth to freaking do it.
Nice.
Shut up.
Goes beyond announcer.
What?
Oh. There's nothing to announce to you. There's two retards here playing this dumb game. Oh, look at that, Storm missed.
Ouch.
Oh.
Oh no way.
Why do I always look at my weapons every time that happens? I'm dead.
Me too. Oh, Storm, that might be the end of you.
And nope. Oh, wait.
Dang.
Ugh.
20 credit hit with the
I'm
bow.
sweating here. That's normal.
Oh, crap,
and
Storm.
double damage right over Dab's freaking trajectory pad.
Oh no, Storm, I'm gonna hit you with that.
Oh, Storm, that was
Dead.
a good shot.
Dead.
Ow. What a match.
Yowzers. I farted.
Oh my god.
Storm, you should probably end the video.
Yeah, I know. Wow, that was one hell of a battle.
I got
Tuck it,
hexagon.
Already?
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, hope you guys liked this video. That was a pretty good episode. Really close battles, live fighting, live burping, yeah, burping.
You were lagging so bad.
Yeah, I know. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.